Hi, Darrell here from Haptic Networks. So I just wanted to do a quick video on being able to set up a quick Hangouts Meets session for students to be able to join. And as a teacher, the sort of things that you can utilize Hangouts Meets for. So let's quickly just show you how, as a teacher, you can create a Hangouts Meets session. So you can either go to the waffle here and click on Meet, and that will send you to Meet there. So here you can join or start a meeting. So again, for students, this is where they would join, but you want to make it a little bit more streamlined. So we're going to utilize Google Classroom in order to provide a meeting link for them. So if you click on Join or Start a Meeting, put your nickname in. So we can do Mr. Raynard's class, and press enter. What that will do is then it will create the meeting for me, and camera will start up. So you may have some permissions that come up here. If you can accept those permissions, it means that the solution can access your camera and your microphone. So I'm just going to turn my face off for you. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to join that meeting. So I can join now. I can enter the meeting presenting straight away. There are also some other options here as well, such as join user phone for audio. The problem we have with this at the moment is it's not been enabled for UK dial-ins, so be aware of that particular feature. If it's on, I'd advise turning it off temporarily until UK, if Google sort of bring the UK numbers in. You have also got more options here as well. So you can switch the cameras if you've got a device that has dual cameras. Turn on captions, which again is useful for students that are hard of hearing. So I'm going to turn that straight on. And again, you can do more settings here in terms of quality of life. So if I press on my settings here, I can change, obviously, the audios that I'm using, the camera that I'm using, and obviously, if your bandwidth allows better or is not that great, you can obviously change these definitions here as well. So I'll quickly join my meeting. So then from here, what it does is it gives me my nickname. So if a student wants to join the class, they can search, as long as they're within my Google domain, for Mr. Raynard class within the Meet app, and they will be able to find their way to that class and join it. The other way that you can do this as well is I can copy the joining information. This is the easiest way of doing it as well. You can see in the background, obviously, it's picking up my closed captions. I'm going to go to my classroom, which we've got here. I'm going to share it with my class. So again, I can share it with all students or particular students. So think about using Hangouts for one-to-one interactions. So students that need specific help, you can provide them with a specific link for them to access you. You can actually provide it across multiple classrooms as well. So all I'm going to do there is I'm going to click on there. I'm going to paste that into here. I'm going to post that to my classroom stream. And then from here, there we go. They'll be able to click that link and join that particular meeting there. What I'm going to do is I'm going to do another video which is from a student point of view, and obviously I'm going to have the student and the teacher next to each other in terms of the interaction, so that I can show you what the teacher can do in terms of muting students and that side of things, so you can be aware of the other features that are there. And again, if you want to present things, so presenting now, can present your entire screen or a window. There's other features as well that you can use in tandem. So if you're using Google Slides and you like using Google Slides, I'm going to show you the Q&A feature as well, which is quite useful if you want to enable student feedback, but without actually having the chat side of things going absolutely crazy, which is obviously not ideal. So yeah, hopefully that's been helpful. As usual, if you have any questions, feel free to email Darrell at haptic-networks.com or visit our website at haptic-networks.com. Thank you for watching.